No, you're not going to the attic?
Say. Nah, fuck that.
Oh, I'm gonna bring this.
Oh!
I got this specific livery.
Wait.
I got this specific livery.
Hold on, I think that needs to load.
Yeah, fuck, I'm good with this.
I'll enjoy the fruits of my labor. Or be gone. I did not know that was going to say. Yeah, that's actually twat. Okay. I'm on medium, so I gotta be cautious because at least with medium there's certain grip.
Start to rain.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh crap.
Alright, hold up a second, hold on. Are we seriously on...
Dries, yeah.
Here we go.
No.
I mean, the rain's not going to be that bad at the start, like, progressively gets worse.
So it's literally up to skill.
Oh, wait, I am on medium as well.
Yeah, I'm on medium as well, I'm sorry.
I'm on medium as well.
Am I the only one that's on the soul?
Pretty much.
It's better. Let me break it down.
Here's the thing, we don't have cars even on 4 laps. We just start to
Oh, I have 9 laps of fuel on here.
I have 10.
I'm probably guessing I have the biggest engine.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm sorry, in God's name. How is that Mustang that fast?
You know, I can see you literally right there on my rear view mirror.
Oh, is it? The dino. So is this another round? Well, why am I leveling up so far? Yeah, okay, catch up with me. I just didn't believe.
So this is actually a modern server.
Oh shit, very defensible.
Okay.
I'll do. Let's put everything on melee then.
How much horsepower do I have actually?
This is first one, I can do 8.
I'm making 590 horsepower.
I'm making 565.
My mother was
Fucking Ivan, she cannot get away.
Try me.
Sonny Hayes is absolutely flawless.
Right.
Just make sure he doesn't do plan C.
I can see. I'm gonna go on the cockpit here.
Oh shit. Watch your hand.
I nearly pulled the Lewis Hamilton by smashing into the pits.
Jesus Christ.
I didn't engage R. Straight.
Jesus Christ.
But remember, lads, if it does like fucking down, it's up to your skill.
Yeah.
Beware.
Check the mode.
Are we about to push it too wide?
Oh, look at the clouds now.
Oh crap, they're really starting to form.
Yeah, it's not.
Holy Jesus.
Barely see me. I can barely see right now. It's actually getting really bad. Before I start flooding, I have to shift down with first gear.
That shit's eyes are cold.
Still so far, it's not really that bad.
Oh my god.
My son,
I think it's getting worse.
oh yeah, I'm slipping.
I'm slipping.
Oh my
God.
We need to get to the pits, we need to get wet tires.
Oh, I'm drifting. Yeah, I'm thinking about double stick now, man.
Yeah, all of us need to get wet tires. I'm just taking it easy on the turn.
Wait. Wait, I don't know. Where? Oh no, I don't know what I want to go for.
Wait, you don't want to go for? It's fucking wet conditions. What do you mean?
There's no such thing as intermediates in this fucking
Oh, I
franchise
don't know
anymore.
what to go for. Bloody Christ, it's wet.
Wait, I'm
sliding in the But was I inquired after what tires I'll be going for? Hold on a second. Change. Let me pause my tour. Let me bring it down. Right, wet tires on. Here we go. Oh, please. I don't know. There we go. 3 seconds, we haven't allowed. Here we go. Right, here we go, lads. Is it with you?
I did it.
I lost 2%. Hi.
Oh my god, it's so torrential.
Look at this!
Oh, fuck, I think I did. Oh, fuck's sake.
Oh yeah, oh
I'm
yeah.
still not going to catch up to either because that fucking course might be great for some reason.
Yeah,
Oh my
now I
God.
can't
Wait.
catch you.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, hang on.
Hold on, is Hardy pulling? Is he pulling?
We're in the slip tree, he's getting it.
175. And I get to 180. Just let me hit 180. Fucking hell.
Oh. Let's see. I even have yellow headlights.
Mine's white.
Oh, my yellow.
That was...
It's like you just
Stop
randomly
disconnecting!
ghosted and it, you just ghosted and scared the fuck out of me. I'm like,
God damn it! God damn it, my controller!
oh, now with this plummet fuck up, now on the back of the
Oh, please
Yeah.
get it now. Shit.
If my controller disconnects again, I swear.
Let you see faster. Right, thanks mate. Oh my god! You are this one! What the The one place you hit me, I was like, keep going forward, just steady.
Shall we hold on?
Oh, my brakes are still fucking shit, though. Sorry.
Oh.
I hit the drum.
Fuck. You didn't spell. That's bad sportsmanship if I do that.
No!
I haven't won two, mate.
Oh my god. Your headlights are blinding the shit out of me.
Wait, let me
Holy shit, I
you.
can't see.
Oh my shit, I can't see shit.
Look on the cockpit you in the singing in the dark, you cannot see.
The only thing I see is my buttons, my knobs.
I'm not going in the cockpit view, it's dark. Fuck that, I cannot see. It's basically someone threw a fucking flashlight at me.
Bollocks.
Fucking hell.
Oh.
I just gave out a little bit of knowledge.
Which that helped me a lot. Thank you.
Oh my god, how dark this shit is.
But it's
Well,
not
I'm
helpful,
on
my
22%
god, it's
fuel.
so but we all need to fucking push.
I'm down to far on that ad.
Oh, but I would have been
Alright, push now, push.
Oh, where am I going?
Yeah,
Where am I
was
going?
saying,
Where am I going?
That was like right there.
Wait, oh,
Right.
it's so dark, I can't see.
Oh, they just decided to take a
I kid you
detour.
not, I literally cannot see the forward. Fucking pitch black.
Look at the... No, seriously, look at the fucking sky. It's fucking pitch black.
Oh my goodness.
It's pitch black. The track is pitch black, the sky's pitch black, voice crack.
I'm really fucking come down there, like, Jesus.
My cockpit view is pitch black.
Wait, Ant, how does the yellow headlight Serious? Well, I just don't
Oh, they didn't pop up, but if I go first person behind me, it's just blinding.
What else is blinding?
Fuck! Saved it. Fuck your warnings, I don't give a shit.
That's my FM.
Raise the
Straight
smoke
in the
on.
mouth.
There is not a full fucking penalty.
Like behind
I
you.
can take the
Oh.
warnings with the penalties.
Not mid position.
Like behind you, guys.
Holy bits. That horse is rubbish. I think I might have broke way too early. I think that was pixel perfect. I'm being molested by a horse.
Oh, I got one
Yeah,
left.
yeah.
Oh, you'll make it.
I'm getting really close to the horse.
You're getting up close and personal.
Yeah, of course, in person.
A little too personal.
There's no shot you're making that.
Nearly.
My brakes are on fire.
That was beautiful.
I'm
Don't
sure
push
you made
the
that.
ball.
Holy shit.
I was pushing the ball because that was as you there.
It's just like that one minutes. We're in slower cars. Actually, yeah, I wouldn't necessarily say these are slow.
Oh, shoot.
Sorry. Yeah, like I said, I wouldn't necessarily say these are slow. But they're slower, if that makes any sense. Slower and less aerodynamic, yeah.
Oh my god.
To let you know, me and I having a fucking mega battle. It's like after my first Corvette, like 7 years ago.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Before the Corvette blew its tire out.
Fucking hell. Fuck, I'm going too wide. Jesus fucking Christ, look at this. We are slowly catching up to them all. Slowly, but it's fine.
It's not gonna be enough.
Yeah, it's not going to be enough.
Oh no, yeah.
I destroyed my front splitter. Yeah, I definitely destroyed my front splitter. Jesus, wet.
Oh, you're cheating!
Yeah, I don't deserve that. I don't deserve that third place.
Oh, I'm recording that last minute.
That was an illegal
beautiful.
pass.